Good morning, everybody. It is your lovely new friend, Erin. Hey, I thought I would come on really quick to just tell you what I was poising to make. I think I really do want to help out at least a couple times a week with really good, affordable, budget-friendly meals to help save everybody time and money. I'm gonna usually base them on about a 4-person meal. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to throw everything into the crock pot except for a little salad I'm gonna make later and instant rice. And I'm gonna show you right now what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna show you how much it's gonna cost for the meal and per person as well. Just so you know the difference between just going and grabbing whatever and whatever, and at least having a meal that will sustain your family and yourself, and sit down together. Even if you're not used to doing that at a dinner table yet, maybe you could start, or even heck around a little fun kid movie or whatever you want to do. But it's still better than just fast. So here we go. I am going to use this chicken, this carrots, this garlic. Barbecue is how I'm going to do my chicken. Of course, you could do whatever flavor you wanted if you don't like that. This instant rice later. I put this mayonnaise out because I'm going to do ranch also, okay? Which again, you could use any kind of dressing that you want. But based on that, I went ahead and this is what it comes out to. So you know, I think it's a pretty good price. So it comes out to about $1.92 per person, $7.67, and that again, that's based on a family of 4. And I did this as well. And so if you want to screenshot that if you're interested. Also, let me know if there's anything else you'd like to know. And hey, wish me luck. I have to go out and do a couple showings right now. As I mentioned before, and if you haven't seen yet, I am a South Florida realtor. As well as I took my 7-year-old out of school last year, and so now I'm homeschooling her. So once I go do that, I'm gonna run around, come back here, and do the teaching part too, and having fun, because they need to have fun. But by the way, if you didn't screenshot that, if anything, if you're listening now, I'm a little bit late to the game because I had a whole bunch of other stuff that I was doing earlier today. So I'm going to choose the option of cooking my chicken, my garlic cloves, and my barbecue sauce and some water with the carrots for 4 hours on high. You could do it low, almost any time amount that you wanted, as long as you made sure that there was enough, water in there. That's all. You just gotta check it if you're gonna do it for a whole day thing. But if you're gone, 8 hours, low is fine. Just don't turn it on high, because a lot of people will tell you when they do crock pots, oh, turn it on high at first. No, don't. If you're gonna leave all day out, 8+ hours, throw it all in. You might want to add maybe 1 more cup of water. You gotta I can't tell you exactly how to do this because I'm not a professional cook or a crock potter or any of that, just a mom, and I'm just trying to help out others, and hopefully you can help me out as well. So anyways, I will be back later once this is all cooked, and hopefully we can share a great meal together. All right, see you soon. Have a great day.